Video I show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 or A16 camera flash not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then find out apps, click on it, then again scroll down and find out camera app, tap on camera app, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear data, then delete. Now tap on three dot, tap on reset app preference. Now tap on reset. Now tap on search settings, search for reset, tap on reset, tap on again reset. Now tap on reset all settings, reset settings, enter your pin code or password. Now tap on again reset. After restart your phone, now open camera app. Now click on flash icon. Now enable flash. Now click any photo, then you can see that flash icon is working. Now I hope that this method fixes Samsung A15 or A16 camera flash not working problem.